Yes, please keep your audio mute. Okay, guys. So far we have discussed about basic SAP FICO demo session, and after that I explained you S4HANA demo session, just like what we have discussed in the last two sessions. Okay. So going forward, we will cover all areas of SAP FICO and S4HANA. And for the time being today, I will explain SAP FICO consultant roles and responsibilities, or SAP FICO or S4HANA consultant roles and responsibilities in real time. Okay. SAP FICO consultant roles and responsibilities. Today I am going to explain. Generally, SAP FICO consultant roles and responsibilities are classified as okay, strategic level, and second one is operational level. Moment, please.
Hello, Mahesh.
And the third one should be implementation level. So someone sending messages, any problem? Okay. And the fourth one, troubleshooting. What is troubleshoot? And the next one, documentation. Okay. And these are the basic roles and responsibilities of SAP FICO or S4HANA consultant, right? So these are the roles and responsibilities of SAP FICO and S4HANA consultant. Okay, SAP FICO consultant roles and responsibilities are classified as strategic level, operational level, implementation level, troubleshooting, end user training, documentation, and complaints. Okay, so what are the basic prerequisites that are very vital for SAP FICO or S4HANA consultant level? Today I am going to discuss, and these roles and responsibilities also I will take another session. Tomorrow I will finish up roles and responsibilities. Okay, so that guys, after listening these roles and responsibilities, then you will get a clear picture what general SAP FICO or S4HANA consultant roles and responsibilities will be there in the real time, and how to handle it, and in which areas you need to focus more, and what are the basic skill set is required for to getting this knowledge. So these are all stuff I am going to explain today. And so up to strategic level, operational level, implementation, up to implementation level I will cover today. And the remaining part I will cover tomorrow, like troubleshooting and end user training. Tomorrow we will finish up the SAP FICO consultant and roles and responsibilities. So after that, I will share you one document to you. Okay. So you will have to prepare that document in proper way, and that the document terminology is a little bit complex, but anyhow, so you will have to prepare the document and you need to present it here for the 10 minutes at least. Okay, that is the requirement. Okay, if you want to get selected in, if you want to be successful in the real time, so it is very better to explain these things in the class. Okay, so that if client require, if you want to discuss anything with the client, then this practice should be very helpful to you. Okay, let's discuss about the strategic operational implementation level. So what is strategic level? Can anyone tell me what is strategy? What is strategy? Anyone tell me what is strategy? See, is my voice is clear? Someone saying my voice is not clear. Hello? Are you getting me? Hello, can anyone please confirm? Is my voice is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're clear, but a little bit disturbance we are facing, sir.
Okay, so please wait.
It's clear, sir.
Okay, see, any disturbance is coming from my side. Is my voice is clear? Can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, it's clear now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my question is, what is strategy?
Sir, it's a plan of action, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it is a high-level discussion with the clients before we getting into the project. It completely, the project-related discussion. It can be.
Okay.
In this level, generally, where the manager discuss how to implement SAP in whenever there is any new possibilities there, then how to implement that policy. Generally discusses in strategic level.
Okay. Okay. Anyone tell me what is strategy? Okay, strategy is just like a planning, right? So most of the people already explained what is plan in SAP. See, as a FICO consultant, have you involved in the strategic level? So have you part of strategic level? If it is yes, then tell me in which areas you will have to participate in real time. Strategy means planning.
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
Okay, so what are the activities that we need to plan before implementing SAP system? Okay, so let's take one example. I have two companies. I have two companies. So one company is Vizag Steel Company. The second one is second one may be many. It's IT company. Germany. And very well, tell me some of the companies, IT companies. HCL. Okay. So many companies we have. Okay. So this Vizag Steel company never used SAP earlier. Okay, this Vizag Steel company never used SAP earlier. Okay, and that means their data will be whatever the data they have, they may be in some other ERPs or some other places like Excel sheet, Tally, Oracle, JD Advanced, Microsoft, anything. Okay, they never used SAP earlier. Now, this Vizag Steel company wants to implement SAP first time. Okay, this Vizag Steel company wants to implement SAP first time. Then they will directly contact to IT companies. Okay, so initially what happened? They will make one bid. Okay, they will make one bid. So in that bid, many IT companies will be participated. But it is the decision which company will be part of this implementation. That decision will be taken by Vizag Steel, right? But let's say, for example, so TCS, HCL company. Now, this HCL company become this Vizag Steel company become client to the HCL company. Okay, HCL Vizag Steel company become client to the HCL company. HCL is just like a IT company, right? So now what happens? They will make initially one bid. Vizag Steel company has made one bid. So in that, so finalized company is HCL. Then, so this Vizag Steel company become client to the HCL. So after that, what happens? See, HCL company recruit resource. So resources means how many resources are required generally for implementation of this project? FICO consultants are required, MM consultants are required, SD consultant, PP consultant, HCM consultant, okay, so QM consultant, so many consultants are required. Okay, these are all functional consultants. These other technical consultants like basis consultants are required, ABAP consultants are required. Okay, and BW, BA consultants and general security consultants are required. Okay, so like that, so overall strength of consultants should be 70. I cannot say directly it would be 70. It may be 50 or 30 or 40 or 70, 80, 100 to 150. It depends upon the size of the company. But for the time being, I am giving only, it is 70 only. Okay, because so most of the companies average size of the employees will be 70. So for implementation, okay, including all. And if anyone interviewer will ask you about what is the team size of these consultants, you can directly say this is 70 only. Okay, and the next one is, and what is the team size of FICO? If anyone asks in the interview, so like what is the team size of FICO, you can directly say it is 3 to 4. Okay, 3 or 4 members you can say. Okay, so this HCL company will recruit. Initially, these are all project team. These are all project including FICO, MMSD people, all consultants. Okay. So before that, they will recruit one project manager. Okay, recruit one project manager. So the project manager again recruit the leads of respective teams. So he will recruit the leads, and the leads will recruit the consultants. So this is general process in every IT companies. And the payroll company become HCL. So let's say, for example, if you are getting any calls from HCL company, that means so your payroll company should be HCL, and you will have to work with the Vizag Steel company. So this is your client. This is your payroll company. Okay. So after that, what happened? So once a strategy is just like planning, right? What is the team size? What is the resource required for to fulfill the client requirement? Okay. After that, what happened? So the project manager PM will conduct a meeting. It is called as a kickoff meeting. So this meeting is called as a kickoff meeting. So kickoff meeting means it's like introduction meeting. Introduction meeting with your client. It's like introduction meeting with your client. Okay, sorry, it is introduction with meeting your client or PM, project manager. Okay, so or both will collectively ask your introduction, or else your project manager will take an interview. After that, he will explain the KT of the business process of the client. 1 minute, please. There is some disturbance is coming from my side. Okay. And the project manager will conduct a meeting. That meeting is called as a kickoff meeting. Okay, so here it is just like the introduction meeting with your client and your project manager and your colleagues also. Okay, and your colleagues. And your colleagues. So in the project meeting, I mean in the kickoff meeting, the project manager will give you one KT. Okay, KT means knowledge transformation. So KT session will be given by one project manager. So in that, he will clearly explain the project goals, project objectives, okay, and the business process of the client. Okay, see, the project manager, who is the person, is completely responsible for handling the project. Like it is implementation project, he will be completely responsible till the project should be implemented. Okay, so initial stage, he will guide you. Okay, regarding the project goals, objectives, SLA means service level agreement, and the business process of the client. All things will be explained initially. So once these objectives, goals, and SLA part is completed, then every consultant need to work to get the business information from the client. That is your duty. Okay, it is just a strategic plan. In strategic plan, actually you may not be part of strategic plan. Okay, you are not part of strategic plan in real time. High level meetings will be conducted with your high level management, delivery managers, senior managers, and almost all of the managers will be involved in these meetings. So, but you are part of only kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting is just like introduction meeting. Here, so you will have to, so your project manager will explain the project goals, objectives, SLA, and the business process of the client. And you can also meet with your colleagues because SAP is an integrated module. And you can discuss your job profile, you can discuss your personal profile with your colleagues also. I have 5 years of experience as a FICO consultant, and how many years of experience you have. So that things also will be discussed with your colleagues. if any integration errors will come, then directly we can approach to our colleagues. Okay, related to FI colleague, FI people will directly involve with SD or MM. So we cannot say. Okay, because in real time what happened, SAP module is integrated with the several modules. Okay, then if any error will come in different, if any error will come other module, then we need to touch base with them. That is very important because we don't evaluate properly what is SD, configurations and all, what generally the functionality and all. So for that point of view, so we will contact SD consultant as well. Any PO related issues, service entry related issues, then we will contact to MM people. Okay. So like that, here SAP module is integrated with different other modules. So in real time, we need to work coordinately with our other teammates. That is very important aspect. Okay, these are all things will be happening in the project preparation phase. So this is just a project preparation. This is strategic level. So in the strategic level, is just like a planning. Here, as a FICO consultant or S4HANA consultant, you will have to touch base with the end users. Who are end users? End users are nothing but finance people accounts related persons. They will directly prepare the financial statements. They will post different kind of JVs on daily basis. Okay, he is the person who will prepare the financial statements. So if end user facing any kind of error, if the end user is troubling to post the entries, he needs some guidance or any technical error he is facing, so that time he will connect you. So you are the technical person. Okay, you are the technical person, you are from IT background. So once you completed this course and you will get any job, then so your designation should be IT consultant. Okay, or associate consultant in lower level, or senior consultant, or business analyst, or any kind of software engineers. So many designations we have in SAP side. Lead consultants, project managers, architect. So many designations we have in real time. Okay, depends upon the experience and skill set. So you may reach out to that heights. Okay. So this is all about the strategy. Strategy means planning. So here, as a company means an IT company. So initially recruit the project manager again recruit the lead consultants, and then so that lead consultant, the leads will recruit the consultants. So the consultants' work is to gather the business information from the client. That is very important task. So in order to gather the information from the client, so you will have to touch base with the end users through chat or through emails and any physical connections that also required. Okay, so this is all about the strategy. SLA means service level agreement. So that implementation project, how many days will be there? So what is the duration of that implementation project? So generally for SAP FICO implementations, it depends upon the size of the organization. Okay, let's say size of the organization is big, then it is around 1.8 months, 1.9 months, 2 years also. If the size of the organization is small, it's a small scale business, then within 10 to 12 months the project will be implemented. Okay, so that is the reason initial discussions will be happen with the high level people. They will analyze the project business process. Okay, then they will finalize the project cost. They will make a bid. Okay, so this is about strategy and the strategic level in SAP part. So I would like to ask you one question. So here we also discussed about the business process of the client. So what exactly mean by business process? Can anyone please tell me what exactly mean by business process?
So the business process shows what kind of activity does the client do. does it sell or does it purchase or does it manufacture any product or what? So that is
Okay.
generally called.
Okay, so basically your background is end user or
Sir, I am from investment banking, sir.
okay, okay, fine. Then who is next?
Sir, the mode of activity conducted by that particular client, sir,
Okay,
is basically starting from the transaction which they do and the receipts which they receive.
Sir, it depends
Okay.
upon the the business that what they are doing. Actually, as I said, as you told, like it can be manufacturing, it can be retail, or it can be insurance, or it can be banking. So according to that, we have to decide how many company codes they require or how many clients we are handling it. So based on that, what are the requirement? It can be purchase